we're gonna go ahead and Dremel that little piece right here down a little bit so this will fit on or through just like it fit through on the radio. So there we go, and let's see. Yep. Ooh, it looks like it's finna start raining too, so I gotta hurry this up a little bit. Alright, got my napkin dumped. Now let's try and squeeze. Alright, blow some of that off. Let's try to squeeze this wire and stuff up in here. See if it's, it looks like it. Yes sir. As y'all can see, my radio bezel now goes all the way back, which is what I needed. So now I know it'll fit in there, no problem. I'm feeling my hand around it to make sure. Yeah, it'll go all the way in, no problem, man. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, man, y'all see the title, man, we're gonna go ahead and Dremel just a little bit on the back part where, so basically, you know what I'm saying, basically for me to be able to put this phone charger in like I did on this wood grain piece, I gotta do a little bit more dremeling, but not on the wood grain piece, on the actual little piece that holds on, the piece that holds the little AC control unit on. So y'all know I had to Dremel on the wood grain just a little bit, but you can't, you won't even know, you can't tell, you know what I'm saying, you can't tell unless you watch the video that I had to Dremel on there to put this on. And yes, this is an aftermarket piece because I did not like the little cigarette port lighter and I could not find an original one to actually go back in, so I just went ahead and changed it out and put a little phone charger piece on, and it has the C port and 2 regular USB ports. So you know what I'm saying, if you got a C charger, or yeah, if you got a cord that got both C charger or C ports on the ends, you can use it there. But I don't know if y'all can see in there, it won't go all the way back because it's hitting right here. So I got to Dremel this just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, that way it'll fit in here the same way it's fitting on the back of this wood grain, or on the wood grain period. So I gotta pull, well actually just move the radio a little bit, I don't have to pull it out. Yeah, move the radio a little bit, and then I just got to be careful not to hit them wires. I mean, I could take the wires off and then feed them back through, but yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna pull the wires out just so I can be sure I'm not gonna hit them wires. Y'all know I don't have the best Dremel. This Dremel is a little loud, but I don't have no choice. We're gonna use this Dremel, and we're gonna go ahead and Dremel that little piece right here down a little bit so this will fit on or through just like it fit through on the radio. So I don't feel like taking it off to be able to keep feeding it through, and to see, I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna Dremel it down and it'll be good enough because it ain't gonna fall out anyways. As y'all see, I got it screwed in on the back of this wood grain piece, so it's not gonna ever fall down. And yeah, this is literally the only thing that's stopping the wood grain from going all the way in. I don't have to mess with the wires anymore or none of that. And I'm gonna have to pull the radio out a little bit as well because it's back a little bit too far to be able to go all the way back. So but yeah, as y'all can see, I replaced the clips. I don't know if y'all remember that, but I replaced the clips on each 4 corners, actually 3 corners. It had 1 clip in, but it was missing 3. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to scoot the radio out just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, which should not be too crazy or too hard, you know. It should go fairly easily. Yeah, just slide it out a little bit, which all I gotta do is unscrew the bracket, which I gotta screw the bolt on, undo that, slide the inside bracket, I think. Yeah, slide the inside bracket out just a little bit, and that should be fine. And then, like I said, Dremel here, and then the wood grain can go on fully, and most likely won't ever come back off, you know, because the wires are good on my radio. The jack cables are good for the EQ and the door speakers, so everything is good. So like I said, all I have to do is just Dremel this and everything is done. I want to replace this, but people are asking like $300, $400, $500 for this piece. Don't think I'm gonna pay that. So honestly, I'm probably just gonna leave it how it is, you feel me. I'm not too worried about this. It works, it functions, so yeah, I don't have to really change nothing, you know. So yeah, that's the plan, man. That's what we're finna go ahead and do. Dremel that out. I couldn't really explain it without really showing it to y'all, so that's what we're finna go ahead and do. You know, Dremel that out a little bit and call it a day. Then I'll be done recording for today. I'll come back tomorrow, so because it's getting dark. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, or I hope y'all enjoy this video, I mean to say. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Y'all get that notification on whatever device you're watching me on, or you do watch me on. Then share the channel. Share this video. Man, road to 5,000 subscribers. So I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel. Share this video. Subscribe. Send it to all your family, your friends. Do whatever you can. Share it on social media. Do whatever you can, man. Y'all can even screen record my videos and post them on TikTok if y'all want to. Help y'all channel go viral or something, you know? Do whatever you can, man. Help me reach that goal of hitting 5K subscribers. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Don't know why I'm trying to close this video out, but I will catch y'all in 1 second. We're going to go ahead and start dremeling out. I got to plug up my Dremel and we're going to get to work. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I'll catch y'all in 1 second. Alright, y'all. So first thing I want to go ahead and do is pull off these wires. I know which wire go where because they are labeled. You know what I'm saying? So the red wire, where the red wire is at, it says positive, and then same thing with the negative wire. It said it got a negative symbol. So yep. And I just need to get them come off. Dang, this positive wire on there good. There it go. There. Get them off. Let the radio just dangle. And like I said, they are labeled, so I know which one go where. And plus, the negative go on the bronze little port on the charging port, and then the positive go on the silver. So it's pretty easy to remember, kind of. But like I say, it is labeled, so I'm not too worried about it. And then feed them through, and then I'm gonna just lay them right here, so I will remember where they are. Now let's go ahead and dribble. Like I said, my Dremel is a little loud. I need to go and get a brand new one, a better one. Anyways, this is a little cheap one. I think it's like $20. I need to go get a better one. But first, I do want to sit my napkin down so it can catch any of that debris, and I can just throw it out. So, yeah, let's get to work. And I'm not worried about the dust because I do need to still clean this entire car. You know what I'm saying? Wipe everything down from the car being set at fabrication. But let's go ahead and finish this. See? Y'all see what I'm saying? This mug is loud for no reason. Well, it could be a reason, but yeah, this mug is extremely loud. Oh. It's coming out the bracket. Hold on. Let me try and fix that. There we go. And screw this back down. There we go. And let's see. Yep. Well, it looks like it's gonna start raining too, so I gotta hurry this up a little bit. want to start acting up when I'm almost finished, bro. This is crazy. I am so close, bro. So close. And this mug want to start acting crazy. I need to go and invest in a better Dremel, because this ain't making no sense, man. This mug ain't staying tight no more. You know? It's spinning freely, but then it start loosening up. Let me see if I can change the head out. Let me try and change it out. It could be a good reason. Might be too loose. Alright, let me see if I can get a different one real quick. Well, I got y'all on camera still. But I'm literally almost finished, man. I don't know why they want to start acting funny when I'm almost finished. Should just let me finish what I'm doing, you know? Alright, where's my little clip? And try and clip it tighter. Here we go. Still a little too loose. Dang it. Oh, no, I broke it. Dang it. I don't have no more that's this size. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I done broke it. The story of my life, man. Tearing stuff up. This is exactly why, though, I need to go ahead and invest in a better Dremel. And I don't think I'm gonna have no more pieces that'll fit that, man. Dang. 1 second, y'all. I'm trying to get this sorted and situated. I know this head way too little. This head way too big. And this head just ain't gonna work at all, you know? And I'm so close, y'all. I'm literally so close to being finished. So close. This one is tight, but the freaking sandpaper gonna fall off. Like it did on the other one. What can I use? What can I use? Alright, 1 second, y'all. Let me try and get this situated and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm now finished. As y'all can see, got it fully dremeled. And it's a lot bigger. So now hopefully this should go straight in with no problem. So what I'm gonna do is sit y'all here. Grab my napkin. And I'm gonna dump it just in case. You know what I'm saying? I gotta reuse this napkin. Alright, got my napkin dumped. Now let's try and squeeze. Alright, blow some of that off. Let's try and squeeze this wiring stuff up in here and see if it's... It looks like it. Yes, sir. As y'all can see, already your bezel now goes all the way back, which is what I needed. So now I know it'll fit in there, no problem. I'm feeling my hand around it to make sure. Yeah, it'll go all the way in, no problem, man. Perfect, bro. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So now I can go ahead and put my wires back on, which I have to find. Here go the negative. So feed this negative back through up here. Sit that there, and then my positive is somewhere back here. There you go. And now feed it through. And then go ahead and plug these back up. Positive on the positive side. Negative on the negative side. And now both of them are plugged back up. Now I'm not sitting my radio back in yet, even though I can, because now I got that Dremel and done. But I'm not. I'm just going to sit the radio like that just for now. You know what I'm saying? So, huge, man. Huge, huge, huge. Got that finished. Perfect. So now I can get ready and put all these tools back inside the charger. I hate having to take them in and out, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta do what you gotta do. I just don't want that to fall on that glass and break. So now we got that Dremel, man, another huge project done, and it looks nicely. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, I needed to get that done because the radio bezel will not go all the way on without me dremeling this a little bit more, just like I dremeled onto the wood grain. So now it's done. I'm probably gonna take this off and pull this piece off because I'm tired of having this piece on here, and yeah, I just don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that little protection piece or little cover. So y'all leave y'all opinions. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch you on the second for the outro. All right, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Now that I'm done, yeah, the radio is good to go. You feel me? Now the bezel, the radio, the bezel, and the charging port piece, all of it to go in without hitting anything. You know what I'm saying? Everything will be perfectly in there. Now I'm gonna clean up the wiring a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Tape all the wiring up together later on, just not right now. You know what I'm saying? This is the last video I'm recording for today. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna probably make a video cleaning up the wires and adjusting the radio. You feel me? I gotta pull the radio out a little bit, like I said, that way the whole bezel will sit in perfectly flush and the radio just be poking out a little bit, which is perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? I wanted this radio in there, so I'm not too worried about that. And I can still, you feel me, the way I got it adjusted this time. Last time I had the radio up some, this time I got it all the way down so I can still see my little gauges. I'm gonna probably push it up just a hair a little bit to try to cover up the bottom part of that, but other than that, man, everything is looking good, really good. You feel me? So yeah, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed though. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Y'all get that notification on y'all devices. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help, man. Post these videos anywhere y'all can. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can, help me reach that goal. And like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, bro. What y'all think about the Dremeling work being done. Other than that, once my packages come in, if y'all checked out the last few videos, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make videos on those, so y'all stay tuned on that. And yeah, man, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.